Alright, y'all, for the make some beef stew, got my Angus beef. I got some extra stuff that I need for the beef stew that I'm gonna put in. As you can see, I got a potato. I'm missing one. I thought I had two. I could have sworn I grabbed two, but I don't know what happened. So I'm gonna go back to the store and get another one because I need only at least one more. That'll be enough for us. And then I got the baby carrots. I got this one because it's already kind of like peeled and shit. And all I gotta do is, put them in. Probably cut them in half and then put them in there. And I got some more stuff that I'm gonna add it in here, but it's in the refrigerator right now. But this is the stuff I just went and got from the store, from Winn-Dixie, basically. Got the beef in the pan for the fried up. I rinsed it off, like, cleaned it off and stuff. Yeah, you might want to do that. And of course, again, I put this to, that's what I'm frying it in. And then I'm gonna put some of this on there. I'm gonna put some of this while it's in here. Alright, only thing else I put in here, the meat is done browning and stuff, was some meat tenderizer seasoning. And this is gonna be the only salt that I put in here. Everybody can, salt their own food when it's done. So I got my stuff cut up. Again, yellow bell pepper, green onion. I had some purple onion still left. Celery and the white onion. And some rosemary right here. I'm gonna put in the meat. Now I got my Worcestershire and stuff that I add in already. Of course, as you can tell, I eyeball everything. I don't measure stuff. Got some butter I'm putting in. I'm just gonna mix up everything. My eyes was burning. Cutting this up. Huh? Yeah, my eyes was burning because it's sensitive. Put water in my eyes. Okay. So for let that cook, I got this cooking on 6 hours. And only other thing, I'm putting in here some water, bottled water. I think I got in here some parsley, leaves. I'm gonna put some of this beef flavor in here. Mommy. Yes, baby. Cause I'm gonna make the beef. Mommy. Gravy. Mommy. And stuff like that. What, baby? I ate. Can I use some candy? Yes, baby. Okay. Don't eat all that. Okay. Okay. I won't eat all of it. Oh, my bad, y'all. I just put some white pepper in here. Emma over here messing with me. Emma, go ask your sister to do it, babe. I'm busy. Put some black pepper. Again, eyeballing everything. Gonna put this what I bought earlier, the 14 spices. Alright. Next, gonna be putting some of this in here. I dropped 2 of these in there. Alright, gonna mix this all up. Gotta mix up those, break those little vegetable things. But there, I just put the stuff in here. I'm gonna get a spoon so I can mix everything. And the potatoes can cook and get right. They still got like 3 more hours for potatoes to be done. I got the carrots. All I did was just cut it up one time, like in half, basically. I'm gonna put those in the pot now so they can get nice and tender. Mix these in. Just make sure they all in the juice so they can get tender. Alright. It got like about 20 more minutes for this to be complete. So I'm gonna put in this can of sweet peas that I already drained and rinsed off. I only need 1 can. I was gonna put corn in it, but I always put corn in my beef stew, so I'm just do it a little different this time and not put that. Put the top back on and let it finish. Alright, it is done. Nice and tender. Better get me some. Alright, that is my food. Y'all already know, put some of that parsley on top of it. I grind parsley, okay? When I be saying grind parsley, let me show y'all what I'm talking about. I be talking about this, okay? I made, okay, of course, some rice to go with it and some corn muffins to go with it. So, for the eat. And that is dinner. Homemade beef stew.